better earn hoops than a what if. In other words, I mean, better, oh, I failed than what if I do like this? Because with the hoops, oh, I failed means that you have learned something from after trying something. But what if means you're still on the theoretical part, planning but not implementing. Somebody who has tried and failed, in other words, is better than somebody who has not failed but has also not yet tried. So, in summary, it is better to try and fail than to keep looking at that line without doing anything. You will benefit nothing. Trying and failing leaves you with lesson, but not trying leaves you with nothing.